Meaning of downtrodden.
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 Downtrodden. The word downtrodden refers to people who have been oppressed and treated unfairly by those in power. These individuals are typically from marginalized or disadvantaged communities, such as low-income households, or those facing discrimination based on their race, gender, or religion. The result of being downtrodden is a feeling of helplessness, hopelessness, and disempowerment. Downtrodden individuals often lack access to basic resources and opportunities, leading to a cycle of poverty and inequality. Ultimately, addressing systemic issues and creating a more just society is necessary to uplift the downtrodden and improve their quality of life.